Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody emailed me a question, a pretty good question. They want to know if you could set the contour distance and corners to default. I can't find a way because if we take this item and we go to effects and contour, it's whatever you use last. I tried setting it. So he wants to do like 0.25. Now, if you shut this down, it'll probably stay at 2.5. Let's just shut it down, draw another rectangle. Go up to effects and contour, and it stays at 0.25 or 0.25. But if you change that to 1 inch, it's not going to do that. So I told him we could write a macro, and then it would be pretty cool, and even save a few steps. So you have to have a box selected or something, an item, and go up to tools and scripts and start recording. And we're going to call this contour and hit OK. It started recording right now, but you're in no hurry. We're going to go to effects and contour. We're going to set it on 0.25 to the inside with square corners and hit apply. Okay, now I'm going to go to tools, scripts, and stop recording. So I'm going to intentionally change this right now to 1 inch. Okay, so the last one I did was 1 inch. And if we look, and if we open it back up, it's set at 1 inch. But if we run the macro, so let's run a macro on a box about the same size so we can tell it really works. And we're going to go to tools, scripts, and scripts. Now yours might say macro, and there it is right there, and I'm going to double click on it. And it put a macro, it did a 1/4 inch contour to that. Now we can actually go a little further, and we can right click on there and assign a shortcut key. That one is selected, and I don't really know one, but I'm just going to use the / key and assign it, and then say OK. Now, instead of having to, this is pretty cool. Instead of having to go up to effects, down to contour, over to contour, now all I have to do is hit the / key. And that might be a little savings. That's pretty cool. If you draw a lot in 1/4 inch or anything, you can have, maybe one key do a 1/4 inch and one key do, 3/4 of an inch or 1 inch. Have different keystrokes for different items. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.